In the heart of an enchanted forest, a turtle and a hare, known as lifelong rivals, decided to put their differences to the test with a race. The race would cut through dense emerald canopies, past mystical rivers, and across open meadows. The prize was not just bragging rights but a golden leaf said to possess magical properties. As they awaited the start, the hare couldn't help but smirk, confident in his natural speed. The turtle, on the other hand, gazed calmly at the path ahead, knowing the forest held its own set of challenges and lessons. The race began with a flurry of dust as the hare sprinted off, quickly disappearing from sight. The turtle moved slowly but with purpose, his eyes absorbing the wonders around him, a glowing mushroom here, a fluttering pixie there. The hare, light and fast, found himself distracted by the forest's mystical allure. He paused to chase a shimmering dragonfly, got entangled in a conversation with a chatty squirrel, and even took a nap under the warm sun. Time seemed almost irrelevant as he indulged in the forest's magical diversions. Meanwhile, the turtle plodded steadily, rarely straying from his path. Along his journey, he encountered an ancient owl who bestowed upon him nuggets of wisdom and a family of beavers who helped him cross a wild river. With every step, he grew more attuned to the forest's rhythms. As the hare finally awoke from his nap, he realized the daylight was waning and the finish line was still far ahead. Panicked, he rushed through the final stretch, his once proud confidence dwindling with every step. To his surprise, he found the turtle already at the finish line, the golden leash shimmering beside him.